In this video, I am going to show you how to connect your Hisense TV to Alexa. Without further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Hisense TV is connected to Wi-Fi and supports Alexa. Now, press the Home button on your remote and go to Settings. Navigate to System, Voice and Audio Control, or Amazon Alexa for Fire TV models, and select Enable Alexa. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Next, open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone. Tap More, Skills and Games, and search for Hisense. Smart TV or Hisense Roku TV if applicable. Select the skill and tap Enable to use. Sign in with your Hisense or Roku account and grant the necessary permissions. Now, go to Devices, Add Device, TV, and select Hisense to complete the pairing. Once connected, you can control your TV with voice commands like, Alexa, turn on my Hisense TV. Alexa, change the channel to ESPN. Alexa, increase the volume. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.